everyone. Welcome back from Christmas break. I hope you had a wonderful and relaxing time at home with your family as we transition back to school. We are still going to talk about things in the solar system, but very soon we will be moving on from chapter 5. So I know before break, we talked about inner and outer planets. Hopefully, you're experts on all those 8 planets in our solar system. If you follow along on the slide, I'm going to take you through what's the difference between a planet, a star, and a moon as we transition here in the solar system. So, remember, a planet is defined as a round and massive object that orbits around a star. In order for an object to be what we call celestial, it has to be considered a planet. It must have these 3 following characteristics to be celestial. 1, it orbits a star, which planets do. 2, its gravity is strong enough that its shape is spherical. And 3, it has cleared its orbital path around the star of other celestial objects. Planets. So remember, the size of planets do vary, which means they're different. In general, though, planets are smaller than our stars. A planet, we know, can be solid, liquid, or a gas. For example, Mars, remember, is a terrestrial planet. It's solid and rocky. Jupiter, on the other hand, is an outer planet, a gas giant. The temperature of a planet also varies. Its temperature depends on its distance from a star, its atmosphere, and composition, which is what that planet is made up of. So, what's a moon? Is a moon considered celestial? Let's find out. A moon is defined as an object that orbits a planet. It is a natural satellite. A moon is usually solid and rocky. Moons are usually round, some are egg-shaped or irregular. A moon is a lot smaller than a planet or a star, and thus its gravity is not very strong. Planets do not have to have a moon. Not all planets do. Some planets, though, we learn in our outer planets like Jupiter, Saturn, they have more than one moon. So do planets need to have moons? No, some don't, but some have many. Whoops. So today in science, as we continue talking about moons and reviewing planets, you're going to be taken through a slideshow that's going to ask you just what I went through. What's the difference between a moon, a planet, and a star? So you will have homework and you'll have a word bank, and it will be used more than once. So don't think there's 7 questions when you get to this slide, celestial objects homework. You have moon, planet, and star. Some of them will be used more than once. So don't think, oh, I already used that word. It can't be used again, because it can. Okay. And then at the end, you will be asked to write 3 facts that you learn on that specific website in that link. And find some facts on comets, asteroids, and meteors, because that's what we will be transitioning to on Thursday. So I want you to get some background knowledge on what's the difference between these 3 very fun objects in our solar system. So keep working hard, and we'll touch base soon.